I'm Dave Means, Service Manager for Oliver Manufacturing. Over the past 32 years, I've learned the importance of quality and repeatability with your gravity separator. Automation in your gravities will help you with all of the adjustments. Today we're going to talk about the 5 key adjustments we make on a gravity, how we tune your time to make your uptime better, and what if things go wrong. Come on, let's go take a look. Before we understand automation completely, we need to understand the 5 key adjustments we make to a gravity table. Those 5 key adjustments are going to be our eccentric speed, our fan speed, our side tilt, our feed rate, and our end raise. All of those 5 adjustments on an automated gravity table are done right here on the touchscreen. We first start off with our fan speeds. Our fan speeds are, in this particular model, are labeled 1 through 4 for 4 different fan zones. Our speed is in RPMs, which is our eccentric speed. Our side tilt is labeled as what we have for our pitch of our table. Our end raise is for dwell time on the table, and our feed rate. We first start off here with our side tilt. Our side tilt is the pitch of our table. This is the incline or the resistance we give seed on our table. That is set by a feedback sensor or a sensor on our hydraulics that allow us to easily set any number we want for percentage, and we can adjust our side tilt accordingly. Our end raise is done the same by adjusting the end of our table and giving us more or less dwell time. Our next key adjustment is our feed rate. Our feeder is controlled automatically through the touchscreen as well, and we can choose a percentage of 0 to 100%. The feeder is automatically controlled as soon as the eccentrics are engaged, and will shut off as soon as they are shut off. This keeps us from piling up on the deck and keeps us from overflowing our machine. Our 4th key adjustment on a gravity table is our fan speed. Our fans are controlled individually by zone, with each fan motor having its own VFD. The importance of having a zonal fan is that we can precisely control the amount of air that flows up through each section of the deck. That allows us to give it only enough air to lift the products that we want to move to the discard, and it allows us to keep a steady depth of bed and get the most out of our separation. The final key adjustment we have is deck speed. The RPM it takes to move seed from the discharge end of the table to the high side of the table. By adjusting the eccentric speed, we change the physics of our table by moving the entire lot of seed throughout the bed from low to high. This is easily adjusted and adjusted back by a quick touch of a button. Now that we've quickly gone over the 5 key adjustments we make on a gravity table, let's talk just a bit about the physics. A gravity table is made to move our better seed up out of our trash. We do that with all these adjustments and a combination of that. So our good, heavier seed is on the high side. Our consolidated trash is on the low side. We do this with a combination of air, tilt, speed, our feed rate, and what we use for our end raise for a dwell time. Now that we know the key principles of our separation, this is where automation comes in. This is where we can show you the benefits of what having automation on your gravity will do. Whether you're an old hat at this, or whether you are a newbie, you can easily manage between settings and adjust this table. If things happen to go awry, you can easily go back to a previous known good setting and be right back to where you were. So we are easily able to set our fan speeds. We are easily able to set our end raise, our side tilt, our deck speed, our feeder. We can do all of those right here at a touch of a button. We can simply select what we want to change, and we can change that setting and change what's happening on our deck. The advantage to having this automation on your table is that not only can we change it with the push of a button, we can also reload an old known good recipe for maybe a different batch, maybe a different seed size, maybe a whole different product, easily by selecting a recipe, choosing it, loading it, and we are right back to another known good setting. This has the capability of storing 20 recipes and really developing a library for your operators to use. What if things go wrong? We can easily, with this automation package, go between menus and select any individual drive, any individual motor, any individual hydraulics, and we can pinpoint any issues that we're having with this machine. Again, with the touch of a button, we can start, operate, run, speed up, slow down any one of our 4 fans of this model. We can do the same thing with our side tilt, our end raise, our deck shake, our eccentric speed that's there. We can run any of these simply with the touch of a button. We can also operate our feeder to make sure that we're getting a smooth operation to give seed to the deck. All of these are easily done in our maintenance screen. Along with that, we hold a bearing count that tells us how long this machine has ran. So we easily know at what intervals we need to be doing routine maintenance or how long it's been since we've done those. Along with being able to do maintenance on this machine from our touchscreen, we can also tie this to your SCADA program. We can tie this in to view remotely, or we can also give remote support via the internet from anywhere in the world with our engineering group. Let's go see how they're doing. With proper internet and communications installed, you can view this machine from anywhere in your plant, or our engineering and service teams can view and help you troubleshoot this machine from anywhere in the world. We can simply log on to your machine, pull up its parameters, and we are able to change programming, diagnose the PLC and the HMI, or just help you with updates. Automation is a great tool to help you provide the best possible product to your customers. Hopefully in this short time, I've been able to answer a few questions and tell you about how important the 5 key adjustments are on your gravity table, how we can save those in a recipe and recall those for later use, how we can save on some time during changeovers, whether it be for different lots, different seed sizes, maybe even different products. Also, I hope we answered and told you about how we are able to cut down on your downtime in maintenance by troubleshooting either at a fingertip on the touchscreen or remotely with our engineering and service teams. Thank you for watching, and I hope you see you down the road on your plant.